When do you get married?
Well, I mean, I thought you might ask that question.
Well,
And we talk about it often, but half the time it's a conversation about the birth of the future, and the other half is like a funeral.
Yeah.
Because because I mean, being married, let's face it, in our line of work, is not great. I mean, it's pretty taboo for an actress, particularly.
You think so, really?
I think so.
ऐसी बहुत कम एक्ट्रेसेस होती हैं जो एज लीडिंग लेडीज वर्क फॉर 15 प्लस ईयर्स. इन फैक्ट ऐसी भी बहुत कम एक्ट्रेसेस होती हैं जो वर्क फॉर 10 प्लस ईयर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. Most actresses either fade away due to personal reasons like marriage, kids, etc. to follow other business ventures or due to industry politics. और जो टॉप ऑफ द गेम रहते हैं फॉर 10 प्लस ईयर्स दे फेड अवे बिकॉज एवरी 10 ईयर्स न्यू क्रॉप ऑफ गर्ल्स कम अप. जैसे कि 1980s की टॉप एक्ट्रेसेस लाइक हेमा मालिनी, जयाप्रदा, रेखा को रिप्लेस किया 1990s में श्रीदेवी, माधुरी एंड जूही चावला ने. और फिर उनको रिप्लेस किया प्रीति जिंटा, करीना कपूर, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, रानी मुखर्जी. एंड देन इन 2010s इस लॉट को रिप्लेस किया आलिया भट्ट, सारा अली खान, जानवी कपूर. एक सिमिलर थीम एको होता है इन द रीजंस प्रियंका स्पीक्स अबाउट रिगार्डिंग व्हाई शी स्टार्टेड हर प्रोडक्शन हाउस और मूव टू द वेस्ट or tried a music career. She says that she was clearly told that actresses का career सिर्फ 30 तक होता है and all the male leads start looking towards a younger crop of actresses.
She's entrepreneurial. She's a doctor. She created her own business. But as soon as I turned 30, she sat me down and she said, look, you're in Bollywood. Your shelf life is over. All these 50-year-old actors only want to work with the girls in their 20s. So after 30, you're not going to have a job very much. Just like you have to start planning for your future.
Preeti Zinta also spoke about a similar thing. Ki if she had to financially secure herself for just that period of time, she should have done movies. But if she wanted to secure herself financially for life, she had to find other business opportunities.
I wanted to, do different things and stuff like this. And then I decided that I was getting into business. I thought I should give films a break. And because it was a way of not just securing. See, in films, I could secure myself financially till I work. But in life, I wanted to secure myself financially even once I stopped working. So I got into business.
An actress who rose to fame with big hits like Saki Saki and Apna Sapna Mani Mani was Koena Mitra. She went under the knife, her face changed and the work dried up. उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में भी बताया कि कैसे सर्जरी के बाद उनको काम मिलना बंद हो गया. मित्रा is not the only example of an actress जिनको काम मिलना बंद हुआ due to a surgery that went wrong. A similar thing happened with Priyanka Chopra. Post the Miss World win, she had about 4 to 5 films in her kitty. But due to a nasal surgery that went wrong, she was thrown out of 3 out of those 4 films. 2 actresses who come to my mind जिनका करियर एग्जैक्टली तब खत्म हुआ जब उनकी शादी हुई आर बिपाशा बासु एंड सोनम कपूर. प्रायर टू देयर वेडिंग दोनों ऐसी फिल्में कर रही थी जो मेजरली उनके खुद के अराउंड सेंटर्ड थी. बट द ईयर दे गॉट मैरिड इट वॉज अ फुल स्टॉप. दोनों ने कहा है अबाउट टेकिंग अ ब्रेक पोस्ट मैरिज, बट व्हाट आई फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड इज that why do you need to do films which are of mediocre quality or of no commercial consequence whatsoever? Over the years, बहुत सारी actresses ने entertainment industry को छोड़ा है to lead a more spiritual life. One of them was Suchitra Sen. She was one of the icons of Hindi and Bengali cinema in 1950s and 60s. She did films like Devdas, Andhi, Mamta. etc. For context, she's the grandmother of Riya Sen and Raima Sen. 1970s में she completely left the entertainment world and her stardom to lead a more spiritual life. Recent examples of actresses who gave up their career in entertainment industry for a more spiritual and religious life are Sana Khan and Zaira Wasim. दोनों ने ही मल्टीपल इंटरव्यूज में ये मेंशन किया है कि कैसे जो स्पिरिचुअल पाथ है और एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री है वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी है.
Shilpa, great strength. I mean, she gave up the film 30 years ago, and till today, even in Bengal, no one has seen her apart from how they've seen her in the movie. So she kept that image alive, and she sacrificed everything else just to keep that image alive. Everything. So I think that I admire her for that as a woman.